Alright, day one of our trip to California. We are all packed up. I gotta drop those packages off, so we'll be stopping there on our way, but we're ready to go. And we're bringing, you've seen Yoshi and CJ. This is Whiskey Chase, and unfortunately they passed a few years ago, but they're still our babies, so they'll be coming with us. So let's hit the road. Alright, so still day one. This is where we're finishing up the night in Biloxi. Of course, there's Harrah's. We've stayed there before, and they're a lot for RVs. This is Biloxi.
That's it. And everything else is on the side. They come with cilantro, more onion. Sprouts. Like it's all on the side. No, but it's all on the side.
So day two ending with West Houston, BB's Cajun Cantina. I have to think about it. Some poor boys that come with waffle fries. This is the bread. You make your own sandwich kind of deal. That way for to go, so it doesn't get all soggy. So open that up. There should be extra small extra gravy, the brie gravy, and then the containers for the sandwiches. We get our San Antonio Riverwalk. Alright, so where are we? Shrimp, fish and chips. Oh, yeah. Did you want to watch this way a little bit? Or? Okay. That's a nice picture, too. Okay. Casino building. It's just so odd. Look at that. CVS right there. Oh, look, a USAE ATM. That's the first time I've ever seen one in my life. I always have to use Publix. Five and dime. But not the river. Yes. Good, huh? Doing construction for memorial. I think those are the names. There. See the sign. Preserving the Alamo cenotaph. And they're just preserving it. Just have to, I don't know if you can come